Hi. Is it recording? Okay. Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I was inspired by Brittany Bear makeup. Girl, if you guys don't know who she is, do a quick search on YouTube, guys, and search up Brittany Bear makeup. And then, girl, she has so many inspiring motivational videos and basically videos on how to look fucking gorgeous and flawless all the fucking time. But girl, if you swipe all the way down, she has a segment where she literally does microscope skincare. So like she really goes into her skin, bitch, like what the naked eye can't see. She goes into the skin, girl, and like, oh girl, like I can't even explain it. But in today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing about the same thing Brittany Bear does, but we're gonna be reviewing actually the April Skin Real Calendula Peel Off Mask. I'm sure that you guys have seen this all over Instagram, all over Facebook, girl. Advertisements blowing up your social media feed. And girl, I needed to try this. I was like, oh, a ver que chingados quieren. Let's see if it fucking works, bitch. So I ordered it online at aprilskin.com. And I ordered this, bitch. It came with this and 3 face masks for, I believe, $25 or $30, if I'm not mistaken. And girl, we're gonna put this to the ultimate test and see if the Calendula Peel Mask works from April Skin and if it's Lucia Jace approved. If you just wanna go ahead and see my reviews and my thoughts on this, then keep on watching. Alright, well, so I'm currently on the website of the aprilskin.us website. And basically it says that this is actually for normal, dry, oily combination and sensitive skin. For concerns, it says it's for dullness, irritations, dryness, blackheads, rough texture, and excess oils. Also makeup settles when like makeup settles into the pores. And then the result that you get this, it claims that it gives you a smooth skin, makeup applies better, balanced oil levels, soft, supple skin, bright complexion, and clear pores. You know how hot this is right now? I mean, like, I have the fucking steamer and then I have like 6 LED lights in front of me, girl. Just imagine how hot my room is right now, girl. I'm like, me estoy muriendo. But anything for the skincare, girl. Anything for that glowy skin we all want, you know? If that doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this steamer on for about like 10 minutes. So we're like, while I open my fucking pores. And yeah. Actually, while my face is steaming, girl, oh my god, like los pinches mocos me están saliendo, pendeja. Like, ew, fucking nasty. When steaming your face, girl, you don't want to touch your face at all because all the moisture is like getting in there. And then when you have this steamer right here, you guys don't want to get too close porque te vas a quemar la pinche verga, bitch. Te vas a quemar la pinche cara. Like, it's fucking hot. But girl, it fucking works. Look at my face. I'm fucking sweating, girl. It's opening up my pores. Obviously don't need the full 10 minutes, but girl, that's good enough. So apparently, guys, the April Skin Calendula face mask is really popular, like in China, like in Korea, bitch, like all of those places over there. This is very popular over there. And I kept this in the fridge, guys, because since it is a mask, I wanted to keep it cool and like very like cold, if you will. It comes into this yellow bottle. It says the April Skin Real Calendula Peel Off Mask, and it has the calendula flower. And then in here it has the brush to apply the mask, I believe. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see if this mask really works. So let's go ahead and apply this on the face, girl, and see what's good. It says avoid eyes and mouth, I believe. The smell, it smells like, I feel like it smells like alcohol, but I don't know if it has alcohol. It smells like a plant. Like, that's probably like how the calendula plant smells. But that's how it smells, and it smells like rubbing alcohol, I'm just being honest. Kind of like peppermint, I don't know. So we leave this on for 30 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 30 minutes.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this microscope and like really go in there, see how it looks. Look at all of that, guys. Like, that's so nasty. Look Look at my facial hair. My eyebrows are like naturally dark. You go, girl. Like, girl, like, oh my god. Ew, what the fuck is that? Ah! Oh my god, it's so nasty! Ew! Oh my god, y'all see that? Imagine if my skin actually looked this glowy, girl, like I would not be complaining every day. Like, ugh, look at the fucking glow. Imagine I'm like, hi rebels, and you guys see my fucking glow like this. Girl, there's like fucking, girl, I swear these 30 minutes are taking longer than fucking usual. So I'm hopping onto Brittany Bare Makeup's channel and I'm gonna watch today's new video. If y'all are not subscribed to her right now, like, what are you guys doing? Like, do y'all even like makeup? Because, I love her. She's just fucking perfect, girl. I love her. I love you! Alright, rebels, so we're about to take off this Calendula facial mask off in just a couple minutes. There are just some spots that are not completely dry off just yet. And we're about to test it under the microscope, girl, and see if it's Lucia Jace approved. So, I'll be right back. And I feel glowy as fuck. Imagine it leaves my skin like this. I swear to God, I'll stock up on that shit quick. There we go. Oh my God, it looks like fucking dead skin, bitch. Taking off the mask, it did leave my skin very soft. And it does feel a bit tacky. Like if you guys can hear it, can you guys hear it? And it did leave a couple residue, but I mean I could just wash my face off. But like girl, like that shit got stuck to my hair. And I don't want to put it porque por si no tengo pelo, bitch. Girl, if I didn't tell anybody that this was a fucking facial mask, I could literally like tell somebody this is fucking dead skin. Like literally, that's how it looks. And we're about to go ahead and apply the April Skin, the Real Calendula Deep Essence Mask. And we're gonna just go ahead and apply one. It comes with 3, so right now they have a special that if you buy any Calendula product, you do get 3 free facial masks for $25. So girl, you're literally buying one bottle of peel-off masks, the brush, and 3 masks. So it's like, girl, what the fuck do you want? So, gently clean your face with toner after washing it. Unfold the mask and place the mask on your face while avoiding your eye lip area. Take off the mask after 15 to 20 minutes and then gently pat your face to absorb any excess. So this isn't a toner, but my favorite product to use is the Tatcha Essence. So I'm going ahead and apply some. You need like a couple drops and you're good to go. I'm going to pat this into my face. And let that moisture sink in, girl. We're about to apply the April Skin Real Calendula Deep Essence Mask. And it says to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. And let's clear a canvas and see if it has any smells in here. Let's take the mask out. Damn, it's really like packed. It's very like sticky, kind of like it feels like aloe vera if you know what I mean. Like let me go ahead and take out this mask. Damn, it has a lot. Ooh, it's very slippery. It definitely feels like if it's aloe vera. Like if you guys have ever had like an aloe vera plant and you peel it off, that's how it feels. We're gonna apply this on our face like this. Ooh, so cold. Oh. So apply this correctly, girl. This has a lot of essence, girl. It's just packed. Look, my face definitely looks very hydrated right now. Like it's drinking in all the essence. Oh my God. What the fuck is that? Ew. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh my God. Ew! Alright guys, so the 15 minutes are up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this mask. And we're about to see how it leaves my face, bitch. Definitely leaves a lot of hydration. Definitely have a lot of essence still on my face. Let's just tap that into the skin. Alright, so my final thoughts and my opinions on the April Skin Calendula mask. This is very interesting because I've never had a mask that has like actual plant extracts onto the mask itself. And it's like it left my skin very smooth and very hydrated with the mask and the essence mask that it comes with. So like it really left my skin really tacky. So definitely like if you apply this before your makeup routine, like I honestly feel like it would be like a good bomb ass primer, because if you guys can tell, like right now after the essence mask, it's still really tacky, like sticky tacky. Like it feels great. Like it feels like my skin is very hydrated and moisturized. Like it just feels great. And if you're really looking for a mask, I do recommend this mask, guys. Like honestly, we couldn't find like the pores, the gunk we wanted to look for that, but girl, like this mask really left my skin very hydrated and it's just baby butt smooth, if you know what I mean. And it's just like, it's just a great product. For $25, you get this product right here. You get 3 essence masks and you get the Calendula mask, you know, applicator for a limited time only. I'm not sure, but I know you guys can go on aprilskin.us website and just try it yourself. Like for me, it's Lucy J's approved because it leaves my skin really tacky, and definitely it did say that it's a good step before makeup. And honestly, it is. Like touching my skin right now, it's so tacky. So I know that applying my foundation on top of this is really gonna hold onto my foundation. Like, so I know that it's gonna fucking work. Alright, but before you guys go, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys, to see more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell notification, guys, so you guys are aware when I post a brand new video. If you guys want to see more videos like these, where it's more like under the microscope kind of videos, like you guys want me to do some nose strips, more testing to see if like products like these work, let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Or anything that involves a microscope. Like, what do you guys want to see? Like, what do you guys really want me to go into, girl? Like, what do we want to discover? Let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make that happen for you guys. Without further ado, guys, I really hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Damn, my skin is really soft and moisturized. Fuck. Girl, I'm fucking shook.